Hello, and a very happy welcome to World of English. We're so glad you're here today for a truly lovely topic. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
A wonderful welcome indeed. I'm Ali, and this is Ina. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about our furry, feathery, or scaly family members, our pets. For many of us, our pets are a huge part of our lives, and we want to be able to talk about them in English.
That's right. Whether you have a dog, a cat, a bird, a fish, or even something more exotic, this episode will give you all the words you need to describe them. We'll talk about what they look like, their personality, and what they like to do.
It's going to be fun, simple, and very practical. Let's start with the basics.
First, you need to be able to say what kind of pet you have. The simplest way is, I have a cat. Let's practice with the most common ones. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a bird. I have a fish.
Great. If you don't have a pet, you can talk about a pet you like. You can say, I like dogs, or my favorite animal is the cat.
Now, let's give our pet a name. This is the easy part. You can say, his name is, or her name is, or its name is. For example, I have a dog. His name is Rocky. Your turn. Practice. Say, I have a rabbit. Its name is Peace.
Fantastic. Now let's describe what they look like. We'll start with size. Is your pet big, small, or medium? It is a big dog. It is a small cat. It is a medium-sized rabbit.
Next, let's talk about color and fur. This is where we can use some great adjectives. For color, black, white, brown, gray, orange, golden, spotted, striped. For fur, long, short, soft, fluffy. Let's put it together. It is a white cat with long, fluffy fur. He is a black and white spotted dog. Your turn. Describe your pet's color and fur. Say, it is white with short fur.
Excellent. You're building a great description. Now, one of the most fun parts is describing their personality. Is your pet lazy, energetic, affectionate?
Let's learn some personality words. For a calm, sweet pet, it is very gentle and calm. For a loving pet, it is so affectionate and loving. For a playful pet, it is very playful and energetic. For a smart pet, it is really smart and clever. For a funny pet, it is so funny and playful.
Let's practice. Choose one word that describes your pet's personality. Say, my playful it is very funny.
Wonderful. Now, what does your pet like to do? What are their habits? This brings your description to life.
Here are some common activities. He loves to play fetch. She likes to sleep on the sofa. He enjoys going for walks. She likes to chase toys. He loves to eat treats.
A very important verb for pets is to cuddle, which means to sit or lie close together in a loving way. My cat loves to cuddle in the evening. Let's practice that. Say, my cat loves to cuddle in the evening.
Now, let's put it all together into a full, beautiful description. Listen to my example. I have a dog. It named Buddy. It is a medium-sized rabbit with short fur. It is very friendly and playful. It loves to sleeping in the park.
That's a perfect description. Now let's build one together. I have a cat. Its name is Snow. It is big and white in color. It is very calm. It loves to cuddling.
You did it. You just gave a full description of a pet in English. How did that feel? We are so proud of you.
Let's listen to one more example with a cat. Again, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is a small, gray cat with soft fur. She is very calm and affectionate. She likes to sleep in sunny spots and cuddle.
Beautiful. The structure is the same no matter what animal you have. Say what it is and its name. Describe its size and color. Describe its personality. Say what it likes to do.
Now, let's do a review of all the words we learned today. Animals: dog, cat, bird, fish, rabbit. Size: big, small, medium-sized. Color: fur: black, white, brown, golden, spotted, striped, long, short, fluffy, soft. Personality: gentle, calm, affectionate, playful, energetic, smart, funny, friendly. Activities: play fetch, sleep, go for walks, chase toys, eat treats, cuddle.
You now have a powerful vocabulary to talk about your pet with anyone.
For our community question, we would love to see the pets in our listener family.
What is your pet's name and one funny thing they do? If you don't have a pet, tell us about an animal you think is cute.
Please share in the comments. We can't wait to hear about your wonderful companions.
Thank you for learning with us today. This was such a joyful topic.
Keep practicing these sentences. Describe your pet to yourself in English every day. It's a fun and wonderful way to learn.
Goodbye.